Well, things are moving fast now, and we are in uncharted territory. Schools are shut, pubs are shut, restaurants are shut, countries are on lockdown in an attempt to slow the spread of the coronavirus. So if you're sat at home, twiddling your thumbs, wondering what you're going to do, then perhaps there's no better time to get into gardening. So to keep spirits up, let's get our hands in the dirt, the sun on our backs, and get in amongst the plants. It's not all doom and gloom. Spring is here. And one of the jobs for today is to give these borders a mulch. That's essentially like a barocca for the plants. We'll just set them straight for the new season. And mulching at this time of year also has the benefit of repressing some of the weeds around the plants, as well as giving them food for the season to come. And it's just a case of throwing it roughly around the plant. I'll get in there with my hands in a minute and make sure it's spread evenly throughout the border. And the keen-eyed amongst you will have noticed I've got a new border here in the garden. So there's an opportunity over coming months to get to know a few new plants. And like you, I suspect I'll be spending a bit of time in the garden. Well, that's the last of the mulching done. I'd almost forgotten what it's like to get in amongst the plants. I can smell the rosemary. I feel a little bit better. So that's all today from the Enduring Gardener. Stay positive, and we'll see you next week.